Want to become a streamer in 2025? Let's break down how to get started and make it big. 1. Choose your platform. First, choose your platform. Whether it's Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, decide where you want to stream. Consider your audience and the type of content you want to create. Different platforms cater to different communities. 2. Set up your gear. Next, you'll need the right gear. At minimum, get a good webcam, microphone, and a reliable computer. While you don't need top-of-the-line equipment, make sure your setup is clear and your audio is crisp. Viewers won't stick around for poor quality. 3. Create your streaming identity. Develop your streaming identity. Choose a catchy name, create a fun branded overlay, and make sure your channel looks professional. This helps you stand out and makes your stream more memorable. 4. Engage with your audience. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, build a community, and be interactive. Streaming is about creating a connection, so make sure you're talking with your viewers and involving them in your content. 5. Consistency and growth. Consistency is crucial. Set a regular streaming schedule so your audience knows when to tune in. As you grow, collaborate with other streamers, promote your streams on social media, and consider upgrading your gear as you gain followers. That's how to get started as a streamer in 2025. Focus on the right platform, quality content, and consistent engagement to build your audience. Subscribe for more tips on growing your online presence.